Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Google Cloud Compute Engine for server deployment, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Google Cloud Platform website. Log into your Google account if you haven't done so already. Once logged in, click on the Console button to access the Google Cloud Console. In the console, look for the Select a Project drop-down at the top of the screen. Click on the drop-down, then select New Project to create a new project for your deployment. Enter a name for your project and click Create. Wait for the project to be set up, which usually takes just a moment. Once your project is created, ensure it is selected in the Select a Project drop-down. On the left-hand menu, scroll down and find Compute Engine. Click on Compute Engine to expand the options, then select VM Instances. If it's your first time using Compute Engine, you may need to enable the API. Click on the Enable button to activate the Compute Engine API. After enabling, wait for a few moments while Google prepares your environment. When the setup is complete, you will see the VM Instances dashboard. From here, click on the Create Instance button to begin setting up your virtual machine. Choose a name for your instance, ensuring it's descriptive and easy to remember. Next, select the desired region and zone for your server's location. Choose your machine type based on the resources you require for your application. Select the operating system image you wish to use for your instance. You can opt for a standard image or browse the marketplace for additional options. Configure the boot disk size and type according to your storage needs. Review the firewall settings and decide whether to allow HTTP and HTTPS traffic. Once you've made all your selections, click on the Create button at the bottom. Wait a few moments while Google provisions your instance. After the instance is ready, you will see it listed on the VM Instances page. To connect to your instance, click the SSH button next to your VM. A new browser window will open, establishing a secure connection to your server. You are now ready to deploy your application on Google Cloud Compute Engine. Take time to configure any additional settings or install necessary software. Enjoy the scalability and flexibility of your new cloud server. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.